Hi everyone, I'm Shraddha Rai, a clinical psychologist and a productivity coach. Today we are going to talk about a topic that affects all of us: how emotions can hamper your productivity, basically. We'll also discuss two practical tips to manage this thing. First, let's get started, and do follow and subscribe our page for more such tips on mental health and productivity. Have you ever noticed that when you're feeling down or stressed, it's harder to focus on your tasks? That's because आपके जो emotions होते हैं वो significantly impact करते हैं आपके ability to be productive पे. When we experience strong emotions such as anger and fear, हमारा brain का limbic system activate हो जाता है, which is basically the control center for emotions. This interferes with the prefrontal cortex, that is the decision making part of your brain, and the logical thinking aspect, which guides your decision, gets affected. So, if you are feeling anxious, sad, or angry, your brain is literally less equipped to handle complex tasks. Let's take an example to understand this further. Imagine you had an argument with a friend in the morning. You are sitting down to work, but your mind keeps on drifting back to the argument. तो ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि when you are trying to focus, your emotions are pulling your attention away from the task that you have to do. This is a very common scenario where emotions can severely hamper your productivity because they are pulling away from the present. Now, let's talk about the two tips to manage your emotions and improve your productivity. Are you ready for them? So, the number one tip is to practice mindfulness. Yes, you heard me right. Mindfulness is the practice of staying present and fully engaging with the present and the current moment. It helps to reduce the impact of negative emotions by keeping your mind focused on the task at hand rather than past events or future worries, basically. So, what you can do is basically you can start simple with breathing exercises like breathing in and out, and take a few moments to do so by closing your eyes and focus on your breath. एंड अगर इस दौरान आपका माइंड इधर उधर कहीं चला जाता है तो आराम से ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर फोकस करवाना है दोबारा से. दिस विल हेल्प to calm your mind and make it much more easier for your brain to focus on the task at hand. Now, moving towards the tip number 2 is to break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. When you're feeling overwhelmed by emotions, a large task can seem impossible. Breaking them down makes them feel more achievable and gives you a more clear path forward. Here's how you can do this. Basically, what you can do is you can start listing down all the tasks that you need to complete. Then break them each into smaller steps. For example, instead of write a report, break it down into research the topic, outline the report, and write introduction. Completing each small step can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. You can also reward yourself by a piece of chocolate with each step, maybe. By practicing mindfulness and breaking tasks into smaller steps, you can better manage your emotions and keep your productivity on the track. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's normal for your emotions to affect your productivity. But with these tips, you can take a control over it and stay focused. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such tips on mental health and productivity. I am Shraddha Madan Rai, and I'll see you in the next video. However, if you need a professional guidance, then definitely you can book a session with me using the details below.